Hello everybody. Today we'll be creating a program that will basically be our daily step counter. And obviously it's not going to be like counting your steps in a watch or something. This is just basically what this program will do is you enter the steps in you had in for a week for each day, and you will have all the statistics you have for that week and the steps you've taken. So, without further ado, alright, that let's get straight into it. So, if you watch my other videos, you know I like to do a program function that will explain what this program does. This is more for the user because, again, what you're trying to think here is the end of game is that someone uses your program. So this program will have the user input their steps they had for the week, and the program will provide statistics. It's not as statistics. Stats. I'm not spelling it, I don't care. For the week. Basically, that's all we're doing here. And that's good. That's good for a program to explain what this program does. Now we're going to start with step. Define step. We'll do actually, I do steps calendar. I meant count. Wow. It doesn't really affect you, it's just, so what's the name is count. So this is going to be our main function. So let's get straight into it. Program. We're just calling program here, just to tell the user what they're doing. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to do each week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Not Saturday, Saturday. And these will all equal inputs, which we will do now, I guess. I don't know why I'm going to hold off on that. So we're just going to have an input command and just enter the steps for Sunday. We're just going to copy this and pretty much do what most programmers do, and that's Control C. Control C, Control C. Now obviously you got to change it up accordingly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. I skipped Thursday. It's alright. Friday. Saturday. Skip Thursday. So you're just gonna enter the steps in for the following days. And then we're gonna have our statistics. So our first statistics will be the total. The total will equal, now I'll cough. Sunday plus Monday plus Tuesday. These are all integers. So we have the int, and so it will just add up all these numbers. So wow, my throat is very dry right now, so try to get this done as quick as possible. I need water. Or do I have water right now? I think I have water. Give me a second. Sorry guys. Wow, I feel much better. So our total is just gonna do that, and we're gonna actually print the total steps you have taken this week. Was or is what it is. And we're just gonna do total. Easy as pie. And the reason why we left space there is because we're gonna now do the average steps. So we're just going to average equals, why not? Don't be lazy. Average equals total divided by 7. Think about it. I could type in all of this again and say divide by 7. But why? Because I already have what the total is. So let's just divide by 7 to get our average. Because each day is one day and there's only 7 days. It's a weekly counter. So, yeah. Basically. And then we're going to do our... We're going to do something interesting here. I think it's, yeah. We're going to create a list using all of these. And then we're going to do some list functions. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do our list. Good idea. Let's do steps, not plus, lists. And to create a list, all you gotta do is this. All you gotta do is this, well, is put it in a bracket, and we're gonna put all our integers in this bracket here. And we're just gonna actually, oh, that's fine, we'll type it out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not that, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this is now our list called step lists, and we're gonna get more data with that for our statistics part. To find the max among steps we had that week, we'll do highest. Yeah, highest is fine. Our highest that we had this week, we're just gonna take the max of this list. So steps list. So again, what we did here is we just created a list using all these integers that the user will type in, and we just created the list so we can find the max and the lowest amount of steps you had in that week. Our simply to find our lowest is we're gonna do minimum. And there you go. And I forgot to do the print function, so let's do that real quick. So we're gonna print. Our first one is the average. The average steps for the week is, and we're gonna do average. We're gonna do another print function. Print the most steps you have taken this week is, and we're just gonna do the number. So again, you could say the user, oh yeah, you took most steps in Friday, but why does that matter to me? I just want to know my highest number of steps. Highest. And same for that is the lowest, the least, fewest steps you have taken in a day this week is lowest taken in a day for this week. There you go. That is our function. And you're like, what? You went through it and you didn't explain it all. I'll do that right now. Again, our program, explaining what this program does. We created a function called count, and we ran our program so that this will print for the user. Then we asked the user to input their steps they had in for each day of the week. Then we just took the total, the average, to find that, and then we did create a list in order to find the highest and lowest amount of steps taken in that week in a singular day. If we call in our main function, call that, not main, it's called count. Use the main, but so we're gonna do this pretty accurately. Actually, no, we're not. 12,000 steps was on Sunday. Monday we did a little bit less. Let's do 9,000. This isn't real. That's not what I actually did, but yeah. Tuesday, you actually got less on that. Let's do 750. Wednesday, it was a good day, but 8,000. Alright. Thursday was a great day. It was beautiful weather. 9,000. Again, this is not true. I don't know if it was. But Friday we went on a big trip for 10,000 steps. And Saturday we went hiking, so we got 20,000 steps. 20, 1, 2, 3, 5. So, there you go. Ooh, what we're gonna actually want to do here is we're gonna want to round our average by 2. Now this should work in theory. And that's why we didn't work. So let's recount that again. Sorry about that. Let's do this real quick. Oh my gosh. Let's not do 12. Close that that just interrupts the kernel, which is just interrupting the process. We did 12,000, we did 9,000, we did 7,000, 8,000, 6,000, no, we should do more. 9,400 works. 1,100 and 25,390. Okay, that's not what I just said, but whatever. I'm tired. So the total steps you've taken this week is this much. It just adds up all of this to find that number. The average steps you've taken this week is this. Again, to find that, what it did was just add all these up. This number here, divided by 7. And it rounded by 2 because we don't want this huge long number that if you read, you're like, how much steps did I have? I don't remember that much. Also, you can't really have 0.71 of a step, so makes sense, does it? Just joking. And the most steps you taken that week was the day on Saturday, and the fewest you had that week was the Tuesday. So that is basically our daily step counter for a week. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching.